Hi, my name is Christina Govinda with DomesticFelicity.com, and today we're going to talk about how to make hanging candles. For this project, we're going to use some wire, a mason jar, a tea light candle, Epsom salts, and a ribbon. First, I'm going to take my wire and wrap it around each other to secure the ends together. Then I'm going to pull the wire together on both ends. You want to try and do it evenly. Then one end at a time, twisting it tight. Next, I'm going to take my ribbon and tie it on both ends of the wire loop. Now that our ribbon's on, we're going to take the Epsom salts and pour just enough in the bottom of the jar to secure our tea light candle. That will hold the candle in place without making a mess, and now you have your finished hanging candle. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Christina, and today we talked about how to make a hanging candle.